Well, hi viewers, and welcome to another video from the bank with Dante. And I'm down at the Dorset Stour again. This time on the lower Stour rather than beat 2 on fruit that I was just upstream. And I came down here because it's a nice trotting swim. And I knew that there would be some roaches and dace, and I've had a few minnows, and suddenly I've had a big roach. It's about 4 or 5 ounces. So I'm really excited. I'm just gonna got my standard float rig, size 18 hook. I was using a size 16, but I was missing a lot of bites, so I moved to a size 18 and now I'm hooking them. Just gonna flick the float up. I found where they are, just looking at kind of like flat, kind of whirlpool area. Here. So it should be too much to get bited over quite quickly now. Oh, missed it. Right, well, hi viewers. We haven't done any more action since we actually showed you me setting up of it. But I've decided to move upstream and try it up there, so I'm just going to show you the fish that I've caught in this one before I started filming. I'll just show you the main roach, because this is a nice one. Classic Dorset Stour roach. Very lean. No! Oh! Oh, that was nice. Just let the minnows go. Got a few minnows in the bottom. There we go, that's all gone. Oh, shame I didn't manage to get a picture of that roach, but it was a lovely little roach. But we'll move upstream now and hopefully we'll get a bite up there. Right. Right, well, hi viewers. Had a bit of a slow day. We only actually caught in the swim just down here. And well, it's been slow. We walked up to kind of the end of Fruit Beat 3, and it was very busy up there. There wasn't really any swims free, so we came back down and fished a maggot feeder on the opposite side of the river. And you know, it wasn't much good, but we had those nice roach and a few minnows earlier, and I've definitely enjoyed today. Had a nice walk. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It's only been very short one this time, but I'll see you again on another video from the Bank with Dante soon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do.